Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Ethereum Classic. As in my previous video, I was telling you that Ethereum Classic is about to start a repetitive move inside this bigger falling wedge pattern because first we broke out this bigger resistance, a downtrend line resistance of this wedge pattern, and we had a very nice pump, but got rejected by this resistance or went very close to the resistance. We had a nice pump but could not continue its move. Then we broke out another wedge, and now we have formed another wedge, and now the price line is very squeezed now. At any time it can break out or break down the support or resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade setup of Ethereum Classic that I shared with my members. That was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Ethereum Classic formed with the Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. By the way, I shared this idea on 12th of September, and you can see this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and our buying zone was from $0.00188, sorry, $0.00171 and goes to $0.01607, and our sell target zone was from $0.00188 and goes to $0.02050. Not dollars, bitcoins. And we also had a hidden bullish divergence, by the way, on this 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore I told my members that there is a very high probability that soon we will have a price reversal from here. And I have just played this chart, and within few moments you will be able to watch that how the price line behaved, this Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley pattern, and started a nice reversal move from this potential reversal zone. You can see this was more than 15% pump, and after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down. Before that, I also shared another Gartley pattern, but this time the price line was very close to complete this final leg of the Gartley, but could not complete this move and started into a very powerful reversal just from a very small difference of this to enter in this potential reversal line. We had a very powerful pump, and before that I also shared another buying and sell target signal for Ethereum Classic. That was a very big bullish Gartley pattern that was formed, by the way, on the weekly time frame chart that I shared in last June 2021, in the June 2021. With Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, we can see we had another very powerful pump. That was, by the way, more than 165% pump, but unfortunately this time the price line slightly moved below than this potential reversal zone and tested this support that we have here, and after some accumulation the price line pumped very well, and this was, by the way, more than 165% rally. And before that, I also shared another trading signal with Bitcoin pair, and that was another very powerful pump, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the live weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that Ethereum Classic has formed a falling wedge pattern. We got few rejections here and another rejection here. Let me to adjust this trend line, and we can see that we got, yes, one more rejection here and few more rejections we got here as well, and we have a touch point here. We had a nice bounce. We have a touch point here. We had a nice bounce, and we had some price accumulation here as well. And during this move inside this bigger falling wedge pattern, you can see it is forming different smaller falling wedges as well. Like previously, we formed this falling wedge pattern and we broke it out, and then we had from this low to this high more than 48% pump, and then we again broke out another falling wedge pattern, and we had more than 260% pump, and this time again the price line is about to break another falling wedge pattern, because let me just switch to the daily time frame chart so this move will be more visible for us on the daily time frame chart. And now we can see how the price line is getting more and more squeezed to break out this next wedge as well. And Well, let me show you another move. When we were hitting this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, we were having a hidden bearish divergence at that time. That was, by the way, I think in the month of August 2022. Let me just show you that bearish divergence. You can see that the RSI was forming higher low than previous, higher high than previous high. At the same time, the price line was not able to do so. It was forming lower than previous high. So that was a hidden bearish divergence, and the price line followed that signal, and the price line as a result moved down, and we had more than 46% drop. Now that move is over now. It has done its job. This hidden bearish divergence has done its job. Now we need to emphasize on this resistance of the smaller falling wedge pattern. But because after breaking out the smaller falling wedge pattern, our target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That can lead the price line to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. On the smaller time frame chart, we can see we have the formation of a symmetrical triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of this symmetrical triangle on this 4-hour time frame chart, then our target first to the downside in case of breaking down can be approximately at $14. And in case of breaking out this triangle, our target to the upside can be at $25 approximately. And in that situation, we can even break out this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern, then our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $75. The target for the smaller falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $40, and the bigger falling wedge target is at $75. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.